welcome to Nena's Bubbles. Today's video is going to be for Valentine's. Today, instead of a craft, I decided to show you a little quick recipe and delicious for Valentine's. Today we're gonna be making strawberries and cream or fresas con crema if you speak Espanol. And these are the ingredients that we'll be needing. Of course, down in the description box you will find the exact measurements if you didn't get to hear them here. But you'll need vanilla, condensed milk, evaporated milk, your strawberries of course, sour cream and cheese cream, and some heavy whipping cream, because why not? And you will need your blender. That's why you have your blender in there. And I kind of decorated themey kind of Valentine-ish right here. If you don't put, you can obviously take away anything that you don't want. If you don't want the evaporated milk, you can also put it with maybe half cream, you know, the half and half cream. If you don't want the sour cream, you can replace it with yogurt. You don't need to add the cheese cream if you don't want to, but it makes it absolutely delicious. So I do recommend for you to use them. But either way, you can obviously get the idea and replace ingredients. If you don't have them, replace ingredients if you don't like them. But that is what you need. So let's get to doing this beautiful strawberries and cream for this. You can obviously use them for any occasion, but I'm using them for Valentine's because they're strawberry and creams, and strawberry is kind of like the Valentine's Day fruit. And yeah, so the only thing that you would actually need to do would be chopping your strawberries. You can chop them in however sizes you want, and the rest of the things are going to be blended, put together, and we're good to go. Shall we start it? Yeah. Alright, so all you need to do, I have my strawberries cut already in cubes, however you want them. I have them in a glass container. Now, you all need to do is put all your ingredients in your blender. Ingredients now in my blender, down in the description box will be the measurements to do one of these size of strawberries. I'm going to put more, so you're gonna see kind of like the double, because I'm doing 2 boxes of strawberries. But either way, just making sure you know, if you do just 1 box, you will be adding half of your cheese cream. I'm adding the whole entire thing in there because if you want to add the whole entire thing, it's up to you, you know. But yeah, then you add your whipping cream right in there. Whipping cream. You add your sour cream right in there as well. I added this tiny one, the tiny what do you call it, the tiny measure, the tiny container, because I wanted to do only 1 box, but I'm adding a little bit more than strawberries. So whatever you have, it's good. For the condensed milk, I'm going to add 1 completed can. You obviously, you can change the measurements according to how many strawberries you're doing, of course. And then 1/4 of the entire thing right here, but I'm actually going to do half of the can right here because I got fat-free condensed milk right about there. And then you will be adding your teaspoon of vanilla extract right about here. Vanilla extract right there. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more because it has a lot of a lot of cream cheese. But yep, so you top it off and then you blend it. And your milk, your cream for your strawberries and cream, it's done. Of course, so there you have, here's your cream for your strawberries and cream. I would recommend for you to put your cream in the refrigerator for a little bit before you add your strawberries, so your cream is not so liquefied and it's a little bit more condensed, and it's more like strawberries and cream, not strawberries and milk, you know. So here we have it. I have my cream for my strawberries and my strawberries over here, and then I have these little containers that, for the sake of the Halloween Valentine's presentation, I'm gonna put them in that. They're just the cut crystal chinette or canette ones that you can find anywhere really. So you grab your strawberries right here. You can put as many or as little as you want. Put your strawberries right in there, and then you grab your cream over here. You can see it's a little bit more condensed than like really liquidish from your blender if you just take it straight from there. So you grab your strawberry. I'm gonna put a little bit more. You can also add the strawberries in there, but I think they taste better when you give them the strawberries and the cream like freshly put together. And you just add your festive little things in there, and yeah. You can see here, these ones are from that packet that I got. I think I got it at Safeway. And these ones are from the dollar store. They don't have any texture. I think this ones look a little bit cuter. Here you go. There you have it. Your strawberries and cream, fresas con crema. Absolutely delicious. You can garnish with whatever you want, with some more strawberries, with nuts, with almonds, with anything. And all you get to do is absolutely delicious. Yum! Well, I wish you guys have a happy Valentine's Day, and the recipe is very easy and very delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you heard it, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Mommy, so yummy.